Create high-converting ad copy for any platform in a snap. Here's how to use the AI ad generator on Narrato. To begin, go to the AI Content Assistant on Narrato and click on the Copy category. Then, select the Short Ad Copy AI template. On the AI template, enter the name of your product or service and provide a detailed description, including features, benefits, and anything else you want highlighted in the ad copy. Choose a tone or your custom brand voice for the ad, and click Generate. The AI will give you 3 variations of the ad copy for your product or service, within seconds. To create ad copy for Google, Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn, go to the Ads category on AI Content Assistant and choose the relevant AI templates. Then, provide the AI with some basic details of your product or service, like the kind of product or service you're offering, and any additional details that you can add, as a URL or text. Then choose the tone and click Generate. The AI will give you 3 variations of the Google ad copy, complete with compelling headlines and descriptions. You will get similar outputs for LinkedIn, Instagram or Facebook, with the copy tailored to each platform's requirements. Under the same ads category, click on the Classifieds AI template to generate marketplace ads or classifieds copy. Add all the details, including the length of your copy, and click Generate. Your attention-grabbing classifieds ad will be generated almost instantly. Effortlessly create ad copy that drives results. Try out Narrato's AI ad copy generator today.